Welcome, beautiful soul. My name is Kim Brua, and here on my channel, I share inspiring meditations, healings, and do it yourself ceremonies, and so much more goodness. If you enjoy what you've heard, please give them a like, subscribe to my channel to receive more, and share my meditations with whoever you think can benefit from them. It is my goal to reach millions and millions of hearts on our planet. So thank you. Let us dive in. Hello, gorgeous soul. Welcome to this shamanic journey. I invite you to get comfortable for the next 10 to 15 minutes and to remove any distractions that could keep you from being in your own process. Once you've found a comfortable position, ensuring you're warm or cold enough, perhaps an eye mask covering your eyes, allow your body to just rest. Bringing your attention to your heart and to your breath, and allowing everything outside of you to be. It'll be there once you come out of this journey. Noticing your body becoming heavier and grounding yourself into the earth. Visualizing a cord or a root moving all the way down into the core of the earth. And from the top of your heart, the thread weaving its way up into the sky, the sun, the moon, the stars. While your body is beautifully grounded in this now moment, I will invite your soul, your consciousness, to go on a journey. A journey of self-discovery. Resting there in your space, your consciousness gently rises up from your physical body. And right next to you, a portal, a door of light appears. You're safe, you're guided and protected. Spirit is overlooking this journey. And your consciousness travels through this door. On the other side of the door is a beautiful rainforest. The moment your consciousness enters, you feel the humid, warm temperature on your skin, the sounds of birds and all kinds of insects, the lush green leaves and plants all around you, and you hear water in the background. Your soul starts to walk on the soft soil, and you take in the surroundings. Soon you arrive at a beautiful waterfall, the most incredible, magnificent waterfall you've ever experienced. A beautiful crystalline pool of water against a luscious wall of rocks that grows high into the sky. And over this wall of leaves and moss, water powerfully cascades down. first step of this journey is a ritual of cleansing. You look around and notice you're completely alone, except for the animals and plants there in the rainforest. If you're wearing any clothes, you remove them off your body. And completely naked, you step into the pool of water. The moment your feet touch the water, something shifts and changes. This water is so powerful and wishes to cleanse and purify you at the deepest DNA level. You completely submerge yourself, and the temperature of this water is perfect. Not too cold, not too hot. Really very comfortable. You swim around in awe, observing this incredible ecosystem that Mother Nature has created. In the middle of this pool of crystalline water is a big rock, a big boulder. You go and sit on it. You cross your legs in easy pose. Close your eyes and place your hand on your heart. Cleansed and purified, you feel an openness. And you ask your heart if there's a question or an intention you wish to place forward. And I ask Spirit to bring you a being or an energy that can help you with your question or intention. With your hand still on your heart, you open up your eyes and notice that there is something or someone sitting next to you now on this grounding rock you find yourself upon. The energy of this being is so pure and benevolent. You know it comes directly from Spirit, wishing to support you and guide you. You introduce yourself and speak out your question or intention out loud. The being reacts, and with your permission, starts to express in some shape or form its message to you. You open up your senses, you listen, observe, feel, and allow the being to express. What this being expresses touches your heart deeply, goosebumps appear all over your body, for you know there's truth in what is being shared. There's something you needed to hear today. With love and utmost compassion, you receive this message, knowing that this being is there to help you. If some kind of emotion appears, allow it to move through you. It is simply there to be seen, to be released, and to create more space for you to step into your divinity. The being is so happy to see you and invites you to come back as many times as you like. You share your gratitude, and before the being is ready to leave, it wishes to give you something. You open up your hands, and it places something in your hands. A physical object or a feeling, an energetic expression. Your heart says thank you, and you receive this gift with so much joy and love. The being is ready to go back to where it came from now. And you feel whole and complete. The being disappears. You step into the water once more, making your way to the waterfall, to this cascading water coming down from this incredibly beautiful wall of stones and plants. The water washes all the way through you and over you, releasing any final dis-ease, discomfort, stress, anxiety, or anything that is no longer aligned with your being. Your cells scintillate and become so beautifully vibrant, and aliveness washes over you. Your heart fills with joy, and you then gently make your way back through the pool of water to where you left your clothing. The moment you step out of the pool, your skin dries instantaneously, and you get dressed once more. You look around to give your final goodbyes to this incredibly beautiful place, and then you walk back to the exact spot where you entered this rainforest. You take a deep breath and step into the new version of you. You step through the portal and back into your space. You see your physical human body sitting or laying down, and you merge back into the 3D. You take a deep breath to anchor your consciousness back into your being. And it's as if you click back into your place. Taking 3 really deep breaths. Placing a hand on your heart. If you were to summarize in one word what this being in the rainforest shared with you, what would it be? you to carry this word, this frequency in your heart as you gently become aware again of your surroundings. Noticing the clothes on your skin, the breath entering and exiting your body, your beating heart. As this journey comes to completion, ever so gently wiggling your fingers, your toes, and coming back in your own timing, staying here for as long as you need. I recommend drinking plenty of water, going out for a walk in nature if you're able to, and perhaps sitting down and journaling on what came up for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Share this meditation with anybody you think can benefit. I will be forever grateful. Have a most beautiful morning, afternoon, or evening until we meet.